Forgot the password or phone number of your TikTok account? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to recover your TikTok account on your Android phone. Let's get started. Method 1. Find the password on Google Autofill. In most cases, your Google account saves the password of every app you use in the autofill records, providing you allow it to. So if I have this feature enabled, go to your settings, scroll down, find Google, tap on it. Now select All Services. Scroll down to Autofill and Password section. Tap on Autofill with Google. Now select Google Password Manager. From this list of apps, find TikTok. Once you find it, tap on it. You may be prompted to enter your fingerprint or phone PIN code after this. So enter it and get in. Tap the eye icon next to the password box to see your password. Now just use this password to log into your account. And hopefully the TikTok team will contact you soon to recover your account. And that's how you can easily recover your TikTok account on Android. I hope this video helped you solve the problem. If it did, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more simple solutions and useful tech tips coming your way in the future.